Hi guys, I've set up a new website here and it's called Computer Help, and what I'm going to do is show you the next steps after I have installed Wordpress. So this is an absolute new installation with the first post, Hello World, and it also comes with one comment on it, and it's got all the general things here. Oh, excuse me, just stop that. It's got all the general things here that comes with it. Now we don't want all that stuff there, so we'll have to change it. And also that post went into the uncategorized section, so you need to get rid of it. So that's one of the things that we're going to do. We're going to delete the sample post, and the comment will go with it. And what you do is you make sure that you do not post in the uncategorized section, otherwise it shows up under your categories. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and sign in to the back of the website. So here's the URL here, and I'm going to type in wp-admin. Okay, oops, you got to spell it right too, or else it won't work. Okay, so wp-admin and press enter. So now we're going into the back of the website. So here it is here, and it says we've got one post, which was that post, and we've got this one comment here. It just is an example. So we're actually going to get rid of these anyway, so you can just press trash on that. And also you can go in, that's just an about me page, that's fine, we'll fill that one in. This post here needs to go as well. Okay, we're going to go into posts and we're going to say trash. Okay, no posts, that's good. Right, okay, so what we've got now is we've got to go and change some settings and stuff like that. So the first thing that I do is go into the permalinks section here. Okay, I'll just press on it. This is one of the things that we need to do. Now at the moment the URL is looking like this, okay, which is terrible, and I'll show you an example. Here's the page, and I'm on the about page, and it says the URL $page ID equals 2. Now we don't want that. We want it to say about here. Okay, so what we're going to do is change the permalink structure. So we're going to press on, well, what I do first is I just press on month and name, okay, and it makes this come up. But now I really want to customize it, so I'm going to press on this. Now the reason I pressed on that first is because it filled it in for me. Okay, and now I just get rid of the first part of it, and this is what I leave here. Now this saves me from making a mistake by letting it fill it in first for me. Now what's going to happen is it's going to have the URL and then slash the post name slash. Okay, so what I'm going to do is save the changes. Now this is very important. This is the first thing that you do, because you don't want to get picked up in Google for one URL when you later on you go and change it, and Google doesn't know what's going on. They have to find all your posts again. So make sure you change that first. So I'll go to the website and I'll just press on the about again, and now we'll go up the top and we can see that it's got the URL of my website and then slash about. Now every post that I have, it'll have the title here as well. So this is really good. Okay, so if I make a post about how to, you know, change your memory on your computer, it will say it there. That will be the actual title there. So that's a good thing. Alright, so we've done that. That's one job that we can tick off the list. Okay, now the next job is just to check the privacy settings, because sometimes it says here that I would like to block the search engines. Now we can block the search engines now while we're setting the website up. That's a good idea. But if you're quick and do all these settings and then start posting, well, the sooner the better. Google can see that something's happening here, and they can pick you up. And it's not just Google, it's Yahoo and all the rest of it. Alright, so we're right for that. We don't have to touch it. Now, there is a couple of other settings in here, like let's go to the writing section. Okay, so what it says is the size of the post box. Now, this is the box that when you're writing your posts, this is the box, the size of it. Do you know, like, I'll show you in a minute when we go, but this is the inside. Just say you go to the post section. I'm going to go over there. I'll show you. And we press on add new, because we want to add a new post. Okay. Now this is the post box here. Now if I went and increased the size, I could make it bigger. Now it is better to have it bigger because you have to keep scrolling up and down. It's just so annoying. So, I mean, you do what you want to do, but that's how you change it, okay? Now that's one of the things that needs to be changed, I think, because I have pretty long posts, and especially when you're trying to edit the HTML, right, all this code in there, and it gets very confusing when you can only see this much of the window. Alright, let's have a look at that again, the writing section. We'll just say OK for that. Go to the writing section again. Right, we're in there. So it's got default post category. Now we've got no categories at the moment, but later on, just so I accidentally don't put a post into a category, I'm going to make it go into, say, a computer help section or something like that. I never want a post to go into the uncategorized section, okay? So you're better off just using something like your keyword, and later on you can go and move the post if you want to. Default link category, that's fine. We don't worry about that. That's nothing. Here you can set up your email, okay? Now WordPress uses the actual email that I signed up with. So just say I put my email address in when I was actually installing WordPress, well, that's where the emails will go for me. Now this is, look, this explains it here, okay? Now I can put my email in there and use it for that as well. Right, remote publishing. To post to WordPress from a desktop, you can press on these things here. Now, most programs will do it for you as well, like if you have Windows Live blogging software or something like that, you can use that. It'll hook up with your WordPress website and you can post from there, okay? You don't have to come onto the internet. You can make your posts on your computer, and then later on you can say publish and it will go and publish it for you. Right. Now this one here, the pinging services, what I do is I update it with a pinging list. Okay, now I can't always remember my ping list, so I'll have a look and see on another website, on the Tips for PC website. We'll go into the same settings. This is how I remember what I'm doing all the time. I go back and check on other things because it's just too much to remember. Of course you can, if you're organised, you'd be right. But here's a ping list here that I've got. So I'm going to copy all those. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just press in the box and press Control and A, and then right click on it and press copy. And now I'm going to go back over to my new place here and press paste. Okay, so we're going to save the changes. Okay, now these are this is a ping list from one of the gurus. I think it was Stephen Pierce or something like that. He recommended this ping list. And you also have to go and install a plugin to control it as well. But it gets you traffic big time. It's worked for me. And if you install the plugin to go with it, it actually helps you control your pinging. Okay. Now, okay, we've done that. That's good. Let's go on to the reading section and have a look. Now, the best way is just to go through the list. Now, I'm not going to change this yet, but what's going to happen on the front page is that it's going to be my latest post. If I wanted to make my own front page, I would simply press on this, and then I could choose a front page or a post or whatever. But I'm going to leave it on there for now because I've actually got nothing on this website. So blog pages to show on the front page, you can change it, and also you can change your RSS feed details. Okay, so we haven't changed anything there, so that's fine. Now let's go to the plugins section. Right, because this is pretty important. Now it comes with 2 plugins, and I don't really know why it comes with this one. I haven't worked that out yet. But anyway, this one here is very important, and you have to activate it straight away. Now if you go to the plugin section on the left here and then go down, you'll see a Kismet configuration. Now click on that. Right, so here, to get the thing going and working properly, you need to put an API key in from WordPress. So basically, they're talking about WordPress.com. So you can press on this, right, and it will take you and show you how to get an API key. All it is you basically sign up to WordPress.com, and then they'll give you an API key. That's all it is. It's all free. And let me tell you that you cannot be without this program or any other program like a spam controller, because if you start this website, like within a couple of days, you're just going to get spammed with comments and stupid things that are just going to waste your time. So I recommend that you go and get that key. There it is there. Get your key. So press on there. Now I've already got a key, and what I'm going to do is just go and get it off another website again that I have. So don't get confused. I'm actually using the settings off another website to do this. Oops. Just unplugging something because it keeps coming up. Right, so I need to go to the Kismet configuration, and I want to grab this number. It's as simple as that. Copy. Now look, the number's free, so just go and get it, okay? There we go. Pasting it in. Done. And automatically discard comments on posts, right? The spam ones. And now I'm going to press update. And now that's set to go. Now you want to make sure you've done that, okay? Because like I said, you'll get spammed. Okay. Alright, so we've done the permalinks and the privacy settings, and we've enabled a Kismet, and a couple of other things that we need to do is install more plugins. Now these are, I'm going to go to the plugins section again. They're very, very important because they'll be basically running your website for you. Now there's a few that you really, really need. One would be the pinging one, because we put a pinging list in there, so we want to control the pinging. Now I'm going to go to my other website and show you my list, right, of plugins. Now obviously all websites have different ones. Now I'm just going to go through the ones that you must have on every blog. Right, so a Kismet, you have to have that, and you have to activate it, right? All-in-one search engine pack. You have to have it. Everyone has it. I do not know anyone that doesn't have it. Right, go down. You can have the broken link checker if you want. It keeps you in the good books. You don't need it, but okay. For social bookmarking and stuff, I have Dig. It puts cute little icons next to your posts so people can share them, okay? And it looks quite nice. You can choose whichever one you want, but there's heaps. Easy privacy policy, yes, I have that on every website. It's easy, and I don't have to write the page. I don't even have to make the page. It makes it. It is compliant with Google if you want to use AdSense and stuff like that. So why not just get that and do it? I have fast and secure contact form. I found that this is the easiest one to use. You can put it on your contact page if people want to contact you. It's better than them emailing you or anything like that. They can still contact you. It's great. This one here, everyone has it. You must have it. It makes a sitemap and it actually submits it to Yahoo, Google, Bing, Ask and all that. Okay, so it helps your website get indexed. Alright, what else have we got? We've got this one, right? You're going to have to search in Google to get this one because it's not through WordPress. It's Max Blog Press Ping Optimizer. Totally fantastic. It stops your WordPress blog from getting tagged as a ping spammer. So what it does is it regulates the pings. So sometimes when you do a post and then you save it again and again, each time it gets pinged. Now this will stop that, okay, from happening. Right, so you definitely need that. That'll save you. I love it. Right, go down a bit more. I can't see anything else that you absolutely need, but this one here is great. Subscribe to comments. Now this puts a little box down the bottom of your comment section and people can tick it and say, can you contact me when someone puts another comment on this page? So just say someone's asked you a question, when you go and reply they will get an email saying, hey, there's another comment on that page. Okay, we'll go down. Right, the other thing is WordPress Supercache. That's another one that I use. It actually helps your website run faster. So when people go from page to page, it loads up better. Okay, it still means that you can't have all these truckloads of pictures on there, but it's definitely worth having. Alright, so I've showed you the plugins. Now if you want them, all of these are available. All you have to do is get the word WP Supercache and go to the plugins section and search for it. That's all you have to do. But the only other one is this one that you have to actually search in Google to get. Okay? That one you have to search in Google. The other ones you can get through WordPress. So all you have to do is go up and say add new, right, and just say we want to go for WordPress Supercache. Super, you don't even have to spell it right, and maybe you could just put WP Super, but we'll put it in, press search plugins and it'll search them, and there it is, right, and it says it's installed, but all you have to do is press on install now. Okay, and it'll install it automatically. You don't, and it's just, yeah, it's so easy. It's not funny. You just press install, and then maybe you might have to activate it. Okay, and that's it. Right. So let's go back. Now we're still on this website here. Now I'm not going to install the plugins because that would take too long. What I'm going to do now is the next thing I would do is make some categories. Okay, so to make the categories, and it's the website is about computer help, so I want to know what categories I should make. So what I'm going to do is go to the Google AdWords keyword tool. Now what I did is I went and I typed into Google Google keyword tool and press enter. Now this is the first thing that comes up. Now here it is. Now I want to type in computer help and then press search. Okay. Now what I want to do is get a list of related keywords. Okay, so here they are. Okay, these are related to what I'm doing here. Now, computer help forum. Okay, I can put that there. I can put a link there. I want to use as many of these words as I can. Computer repair help, right? That could be a section. Okay, that could be a category. Right, let's go down. So do you see what I mean about this? We don't want computer help support at the moment. We want things that we can actually tell people. So what do we got? We could have computer help chat and show them places to go and chat and get help. Home computer help, live computer help. Yes, we can do that. Let's go down. Okay, so what we're doing here is concentrating on what is related to this word, right? Slow computer help, okay? Remote computer help, okay? Computer help chat room, they love these, don't they? We could have small business computer help or whatever. Well, you can go into detail if you want. What about this one? Computer virus help. Okay. Computer repair software. We really want to use the word computer help. Okay. Okay, so Windows computer help. That's a good one. Right, we go to the next page. We could have just had a look at them on all the one page, but that's alright. So you get what I'm talking about here. Okay. Small business computer help. Okay. You could even have a directory of, you know, computer help in Boston, computer help in Australia. You can do all sorts of things. What else have we got? Okay. I mean, some of these things don't apply to us, okay? They wouldn't look right if I was making a category about them. So you want it to look right as well. So we'll definitely get computer troubleshooting. Yeah, on-site computer help. You could have a directory of things again if you wanted to. New York computer help, stuff like that. Now, the other way to tell if I really want to use these words or not is here. It has competition, and this one here has got low competition. Okay, right, that's good. And it has global amount of searches, and that's pretty good too. Now if you go down and find something, this one here has got hardly any searches, but it's in a big competition. So there's really no point using that word. Okay, so what you're looking for is something that you can specialize in, and obviously Microsoft, they're looking for Microsoft help, right? But the thing is, Microsoft isn't very good at giving help, unfortunately, because they're too technical. So you could possibly have a section for Microsoft computer help. Personal computer help, that's okay. Yeah, stuff like that. So basically, you want to pick the things that are going to fit into your categories. Now, what you could do here is press here, just say, on all the words that you actually like. So let's have a look down. Small business computer help, I like that. On-site computer help, we can get it anyway, because I like the fact that it's got computer help in the actual thing, in the words. Okay, so now I'm going back again to the other page, and I'm just going to select Windows. Look at that, Windows computer help. God, no one wants to give them computer help. That's crazy. What else have we got? We'll take that one anyway. What do we got? Compact. We don't want to get into details like that. I don't anyway. Computer technical help. See, it's got computer help in it. We'll just put computer hardware repair because it mixes it up a bit, and it's also related. If it's on this list, it must be related. Right, slow computer help. We can get that one. PC computer repair. Right, go up. Now, as you can see, I'm trying to mix it up a bit, okay? Now, this does take a little bit of time. There's no doubt about it. Okay, I'll just grab a couple more. Computer tech help. Okay, here's another one that I forgot, so I've got to take that. And also we'll take that, and obviously we'll take the main keyword as well. Okay, so that should be enough for now. So what I'm going to do is download them. So we selected 20, so we're going to download the selected 20, download. Okay, so it's going to let me download it, and I'm going to rename it, otherwise I wouldn't even have a clue where I'm going to put it. So I'll just check. I'll go into this folder first, and I'll put it in here, computer help website. Right, so I know what it is. I'm going to come back, press save. Now it's ready to go now. So what I'm going to do is go and get the list. I put it in my documents. Right, oops, sorry. Just wait 1 second. It's opened up in another window. I'll just bring it over. Right. So we've got, what did I just call it? Here it is here, did I? No, here it is here. Computer help website. Right, so I'm opening up the CSV file that I downloaded. Okay, now I'm just going to move that across a bit. Now I want to copy, I'm just dragging it. What I did is click on that and just drag it all. And now I'm going to right click and say copy. And I'm actually just going to paste it into a notepad, okay, which is in the accessories. So if you go to all programs, accessories, wherever that is, there it is, accessories, and then you'll find the notepad there, okay? So I'm going to paste it into the notepad that I opened up, and there's my list. Okay, so that's the list that I want to use for my categories. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm going to go and make my categories. Get rid of all the windows that I don't need. Close them up. Right. Now I'm going back to the website, and I'm going in to do the categories. So I'm going into the posts section, and then I'm going into the categories section. Right. Okay, so here we are. There's the category that we've got so far, and now I'm just going to put the words in here. So I've just got to find my notepad. Right, so let's start with computer help. We'll cut it off so we know we've done it. Paste. Now I like to put a capital letter at the start, okay, and stick to whatever that, if you're going to do that, keep the capital letters. Now the slug is just what it's going to look like. Now that's fine, computer help, and it's a parent page, because you can have sub, pages and stuff. And then we want to put a description in here. So now it's good to do this because your categories can get picked up by Google as well. So and they've got interesting information in them. So you want to tell people what's in them. So we've got computer help and education, help fixing your computer problems, You're just trying to mention all these things that people might say. Help. Learning the basics about computers. Control your PC and etc, etc. So let's just stop that there. Now this is how to make it nice. So you must put a description in there. This is what we call search engine optimization. So we've got computer help, and we've got computer help mentioned in here a couple of times. We've got computer problems, we've got learning, we've got basics, computers, and PC. We've put a few things in there that will help. Okay, there's what it's going to look like. If I put something in that category, it's going to have that there, so that's good. Yeah, so that's it. So basically I'm ready to, like, if I go and add in all those categories and put in those descriptions, I'm pretty much on the way to putting a post up and doing a couple of things. Now the other thing that I've got to say that you have to remember to do is go to Google Webmaster Tools. So we'll go Google Webmaster. Now what you want to do is go and there it is there, Google Webmaster. Right, so you want to go there and sign in. So if you haven't got an account, just sign up and get in there, okay? Now I've got some websites in there, obviously. Now what you need to do is add a website in there. So what we want to do is press on add a site, okay, and you want to add the site that you just made. So it'll be HTTP. Now I don't know what the URL is, so I'm just going to go and copy it. Okay, so let's do that just to save a bit of time. Oops. Right, we're adding the site. There it is there, and press continue. Now this is where it wants to verify your thing. So you can it gives you some choices here, okay? I usually download a verification file and upload it to the server. So I usually press on this one here, and it says download this file, and it gives you this file, and you go and put it straight onto your server, and then it verifies it. Now that's how easy it is. Now I'm with HostGator, so I just go and get into that server there where it's actually served or hosted, and put the file in there, and that's how I verify it. Okay, now there's other choices here that you can use, but I just like that one there. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you verify your website because Google picks it up better. I make sure I do this because I don't trust any other plugins or anything to do it for me. Okay, thanks for watching.